Hi, don't look at me. Look at these potatoes. Yeah, I've done a video on these already. We bought these and they're very, very good. They're still little red potatoes. I forgot what they're called. They're like $4. And we got some Ridge cheddar smoked sausage. We're going to cook these on the Blackstone together and make a meal out of it. These are about 7. These are about 4, $11. We're going to put some grated Parmesan on the potatoes. And we're going to try this out. I've had this. Tori, did you buy this for me?
I don't. Yes.
I think you got it for me for Christmas or Father's Day, not Christmas. I don't know. We've had it for a while, never opened it. Potato Slayer, Tater Flavored Creator by Fire and Smoke. Got it? I don't even know where I got it, but they sell it at Walmart. It's a perfect blend of garlic, onion, smoked paprika, dill, and our signature brand of herbs. You can smell the dill. It smells very good. We just smelled it. I put some olive oil on these potatoes already. Wow, that's a fancy lid. Let's sprinkle some of this stuff on. Oh yeah, they're potatoes. We're gonna get these cooked up on the Blackstone, like I did that one video. I was so excited that I was able to cook potatoes from raw on the Blackstone. So we're gonna go ahead and do these again. They sure were. The Ridge sausage is already cooked, so we really just have to warm that up. And we're gonna cut it into little medallion things, and we're gonna make ourselves a Saturday night dinner for right around $11, $12 at the most. This will be plenty of food, I hope, because we don't have anything else. We've got peeps. No, we don't. All right, so they're all mixed up. I'm gonna go out and get the Blackstone started up and get these sausages cooked up, cut up, and then we'll meet you outside. And it'll be fun. Come along if you dare, please. Blackstone, I got it warmed up pretty much. It's a nice day here in central Oklahoma, about 65 degrees, not a lot of wind. We're going to take it. Let's put some canola oil down. Let's get that lubed up real good. We're going to start with the potatoes for obvious reasons. The sausage is already cooked. Let's get that juicy goodness in there. The olive oil, the potato slayer seasoning. That's good eats. I think the last time I cooked these, it took about 15 minutes, which isn't too bad. Probably more like 20 actually. Just spread these bad boys out. Man, they smell good. These are just tasty little potatoes. I mean, they're a little bit more expensive than going out in a big bag of Idaho russets, but boy, they're nice looking too. We'll get these started till we get them a little bit soft, and then we'll add our sausage. I just cut it up. No rhyme or reason. There it is. If in this part of the world, this Ridge sausage is pretty readily available. It's pretty good. It's not anything over the top fancy, but this has a little bit of cheddar pieces in it, just a little bit of added flavor. And Dawn's actually going to warm up some sauerkraut in the house too. So just for the video, we'll do sausage and potatoes, and we might throw some sauerkraut on it while we actually eat this. Because here at Poor Guy in the Blackstone, right? In case you're new, hi, I'm Rob, Poor Guy. It's a family-oriented channel, and we cook basic foods that anyone can do, and it's all about outdoors. When we originally started, we were a poor guy at the Blackstone because that's what I had. But we evolved. I've spent money. I'm actually more poor than I've ever been from buying certain outdoor cooking equipment. But it's fun. We enjoy it. And here in Oklahoma, it doesn't get too bitter cold most of the time, so we can go ahead and cook year round. So it's well worth it. It's a lot of fun. But yeah, we do basic meals that you all can take a look at if you've never seen them. Some different ideas. most of the things that we do are first time cooks. So a lot of times we never know how they're going to turn out. So if you're new here, I'll say the typical YouTube thing. Uh, give me a like if you like it. I don't see the thumbs down. I guess if you dislike it, I never know. I'm sure there's plenty of that going on behind the scenes. Uh, you know, put a comment out there. Hey, poor guy, you're great. Hey, poor guy, you suck. I don't mind.
Say, hey, poor guy.
Say what now?
Or just say, hey, poor guy.
Say, hey, poor guy, suck. And definitely, if you're interested in watching any more, hit the subscribe button.
It's free.
Right. Isn't it? That's really what you're supposed to say, huh? In your videos.
It's free. You can always unsubscribe anytime.
Yeah, but please don't.
Yeah, don't.
No, because I'm getting close to hitting 1,000, and I guess when you hit the 1,000, that's a big deal. Big deal. That 1,000. It's like woo, right?
4 digits.
Yeah, right on. So actually, for what we do to have 900 something subscribers is pretty mind-boggling. I mean, because it's not like I'm a cook, right? But we're real people, and we're struggling financially. So we actually just went and sat down and took a good look at our finances and how can we eat cheaper. And this is one way: a Saturday meal for $12 for 4 of us. That's not bad. You go to freaking Burger King and it's going to cost for 4 of you. It's going to cost you 35, 40 bucks,
Yeah.
and then you're going to feel sick. I'm just saying. All right. Let's not make this into another 15-minute video. All right, going to cover them up. I'm going to let them cook basically until they're almost done. I'm going to throw some Parmesan cheese on right towards the end, maybe a little bit more in the house. We'll get our sausage warmed up, incorporate it all in a big old fat plate, and eat it up. Yum. Peace. Okay, it's been about 5, 6, 7 minutes. I'm going to throw some butter on these. I just checked for doneness. They still got a little ways to go. Well, throw all that butter on there. Oh, get back here. That's why I got an apron. Let's get that. Let's get that on there. I turned everything down to low. And I'm going to go ahead and put the sausage on there right now. Let's get that nice and sizzly hot. Like I said, it's already warmed up. These were about $3.50, $3.60 a piece. You get quite a bit of sausage. So really not, like I said, not an expensive meal. That's kind of the whole idea behind our channel name. Poor guy, it's just, people that might be struggling financially. Some easy meals that you can cook if you got a grill or a griddle outside, or a lot of this stuff you can just do on the stove top or in the oven. But I like cooking outside. That's the name. Okay, again, we're going to get these all warmed up, get them incorporated, and we'll be back in a little bit. Peace. Okay, there you go. Look at the sausage. It browned up nicely. I got everything on low. Potatoes are done. I got approval from Don and Aiden on doneness. Aiden's the potato expert. So we're going to go ahead and throw some of that Parmesan on there. Just mix it up a little bit. Turn everything off. This side's actually off. When I found out the potatoes were done, I didn't want to mess with them too much as far as overcooking them. So yeah, just a little Parmesan cheese. We're going to go ahead and put these on a platter, bring it in the house. And I don't know, maybe we'll give it a try. Maybe we won't. I don't know. Hey, check it out. Fellow Oklahomans out there, Tilly Trucking Company. They are out of Marlow, I believe. Marlow, if you need their services, give them a call. Tilly Trucking Company. Thanks, Zeb. All good? All right, meet me in the house. Peace. All right, there it is. Final product. Meat and potatoes, right? What's wrong with that? Well, I guess if you're a vegetarian, everything. It smells real good. I'm just going to go ahead and pop a potato in my mouth. Oh, boy. This stuff's good. It's all right. It's a simple meal, like literally 12 bucks. Cooked it in 20, 25 minutes. Easy peasy. That's what we're all about. Peace.